want to insert every time 1, 2, 3 employee ID. So you using this identity one, directly it is inserting. Okay. So here I am using the primary key. Okay. Primary key. So this is the unique values will be taken. Okay. So here after that first name. Okay. First name is what? That is Vargas. Parisha, tell me.
Oh, first name is Varkar's Varkar 50, we put 50, and then comma we do last name Varkar, we again put 50, right?
Mm,
And then after that we do department
mm,
Varkar
yeah. What is Vargas?
20.
What is Vargas? What is
So
Vargas?
Varkar is stores characters.
Yes, it stores characters and it is indicated as uh, it is indicated as data type. Okay. So what is the syntax? Create table name, and you need to take the column name, and after that column name, um, data type and constraint. Okay. So I'm taking here data type. What happened, Alisha?
So, yeah. So, what is the use of identity in real? Can you give like real time example?
Yeah, I'm giving. And I'll give the example also. Here, you are going to giving the table name. You are giving here exactly and column one, like a column two. You are taking like this. This is the creation of the table, right? And you are going to giving the column names here. That is the column one. These are the columns. Okay. So here, what you are doing here means here, here normally what we are doing, you are giving here data type, right? Data type will be the int. Okay. Okay. And after that you are giving uh, constants, that will be primary key you are taking. So we have to use the primary key directly. If that is using directly you are inserting the primary key as well. So here directly you are using the primary key, directly means you are giving in the data while you are going to use the particular case. Okay, like giving here you are giving id 1, id 2, and something you are giving like that every time. Okay, and here only you are using primary key. So you are using identity here means directly you can give name and id. You don't want to mention the employee ID every time. Okay, it is taking directly this one only. And I'll show you now. One second. I'll open the file. Parisha, tell me. Salary,
Yes.
salary here,
Uh, mhm. Salary.
decimal type. That will be the data type. Okay,
That's like 10, 20,
10 2. Okay,
10 to. Why like we are putting like two digit and one digit for like decimal time?
actually we are taking after the decimal values, two values we are taking in case of mathematical.
Okay.
So after that we need to insert the values.
Insert the one.
Insert into
Insert
employees.
into.
Okay, insert into employees, I'm taking here. Uh, so what do we need to take now?
So insert into employees like department first name, last name, department salary.
You don't want to take this employee ID?
Uh, oh, sorry, employee ID. Yes, employee ID, first name, last name, department, and salary.
So you don't want to take the employee ID here. Why? Because I have added the identity 1 comma 1. So that's why you don't want to mention here uh, employee ID. Okay. So you are not mentioning this identity 1 comma 1. You need to mention the employee ID as well. Okay. So directly you can take. So directly you can take first name. Okay. Last
First.
name. Okay. So department. Okay. And salary. First and last name, department and salary. Here the values. Okay.
Okay.
So uh, now you need to insert the values here. Okay. So you don't want to enter 1 comma and next 2 comma. Don't want to enter. Why? Because I have taken the identity 1 comma 1 here. So it is incrementing the values up to what uh, columns you are inserting, that will be fine. So you don't want to enter the key values and roll number
Yes.
things, IDs and at a time. Okay, so that's why I have taken identity 1 comma 1 here. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
directly you need to mention name. Okay,
So
Not
basically,
just.
like identity and increment, those are same. They
incrementing type.
refer to same thing.
Yes, it is incrementing type. So you don't want to mention 1 comma to 1 comma 1. Before that, we are mentioning that 1 comma 1 comma identity, name, last name, department, and salary, right? So now you are using this identity one. You don't want to mention that 1 comma 1 comma 1 and all the things. It is automatically taken the employee ID. I'll show you in the output. Okay.
Hmm.
So here, so here, first name we have entered. Next, last name B. I think your initial B, right? So department, tell me.
Department CA,
Your CA, chartered account. Okay.
and then the second. Then we put the department and salary is 70,000.
70,000. So it is there in decimal type. So you need to
70,000.
give
70,000.00.
yes. So that's why we have kept the 10 comma 2. Okay. So here, next, give me the data.
Next, Madhusri. What is the initial?
Madhushree.
Madhusri B. Then we put her initials. Then we put her like QA
QA.
71,000.050.
Okay.
Then we go to the second line.
Hmm.
We put
Alisha.
Alicia. So Alicia last name, I think it's R maybe.
R. Okay.
And then we put her as BA
Hmm.
72,000.00.
Hmm. Hmm.
And then and we put Gautam.
Hmm. Gautam is not joined class today.
Oh, okay. So we put DA,
PA.
DA, data analytics,
Okay.
73,000.00.
Hmm. Okay. Enough.
Mhm.
Okay. So you need to execute this. Already we have executed, I think. So this thing, wait, execute. The table has to be created using employee's name. So here I'm going to creating, I'm inserting the data. So see here what happened. Select star
Select start
apart from what is the table name? The table name will be the employee's
table
name.
name,
Okay.
employer.
So here, see here, we didn't given any employee ID here. It is incrementing. See here,
Mm-hmm.
we didn't give any employee 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. We have didn't insert the data here, right? So it is directly inserted. It is
Mm-hmm.
automatically inserted. Why? Because I have added the identity 1 comma 1. Okay. So before we have insert the data, we have inserted the data while using the query. Just a second. I have added here. See, so department ID I have given the department ID 1, and department name I have given the department name. So here we in the primary key we didn't use any the identity 1 comma 1. So that's why I'm entering the 1 and name, 2 name, 3 name, and all the things. So I'm not entering the manually thing here. Directly I'm writing the name and all the things. So automatically it is taken because of I given the identity 1 comma 1 here. Is it clear, right?
Yes.
Alicia, it is clear, right?
Yes, Ashri.
Hmm. Is it your doubt now?
Jayashree, and one more question.
Hmm. Yeah.
So yesterday we did the ascending and descending order, right? And we can put it in this one also, right?
Yes.
Ascending and descending according to the name. According, because I was studying and then I yesterday and then I figured out something that we can do the ascending and descending per column, right?
Yes, per column.
Okay.
So database is what you are thinking. You just putting into your query. Okay. So database is very easy. And what is I'm telling you, this is the basic things, and I'm telling the real-time examples also. In daily basis, I'm using this database real-time examples actually in my office. Okay, so here what we have only the employees table we have created. So now I'm going to backupping this data using another query, another table. Okay, so how it will be backup data. Okay, so I'm backupping the table. Already we have created the one table. So I'm not creating any table here. Just I'm using the select query and backupping into that query. So we will see using select star into, okay, select the star into employees. I'm inserting the table employees backup. Okay, we didn't create any employees backup table here. So just normally I'm inserting into backup table from where I'm taking employees. Okay, so the real table will be the employees. Here I'm creating the for backup purpose I'm taking the employees backup. Okay. Okay, employees backup. So we will see. So the four rows is affected. We will see select star from backup. Okay. So we have the data into backup table also, and we have the data into employees also.